huge snowstorm leaves tens of thousands without power in Bosnia. A huge snowstorm has left tens of thousands of homes in Bosnia without power and caused traffic chaos. The blizzard has wrought havoc across the Balkans, with snow drifts closing motorways in Croatia and also affecting travel in Serbia. Movement of heavy vehicles has been banned in the three countries and trains were halted in parts of Bosnia. Bosnia's state power company said the situation was extremely hard in some areas, as heavy snow brought down distribution lines. Dozens of vehicles were stuck in snow for 10 hours in the western part of the country overnight before they were able to continue their journeys, local N1 television reported. Nearly 200,000 homes faced power outages, it was reported on Monday, while trucks and other heavy vehicles were banned from roads in many areas. Meanwhile, in Slovenia, the harsh weather has hampered efforts to search for an injured Hungarian hiker missing in the Alps.